In this video, we're deploying an SEO agent that finds high-value keyword gaps your competitors rank for, but you don't. Use this to identify content opportunities, outrank competitors, and prioritize your SEO roadmap. We'll grab this agent from the template library. Search for Content Gap SEO. One click deploys the workflow to your account. Here's the workflow editor. You're looking at 8 steps that analyze competitor domains, extract ranking keywords, and surface content gaps for your strategy. The built-in AI assistant is here if you have questions about the workflow. Ask anytime and get instant guidance. This node presents a form that collects your main domain and up to 2 competitor domains, then triggers the workflow to analyze keyword gaps between your site and competitors' content. This node queries DataForSEO to retrieve the top-ranked keywords for your main site in English across the specified location, pulling up to your configured limit to identify which terms are already driving traffic. This node retrieves the top-ranking keywords for your first competitor using DataForSEO, pulling up to the specified limit in English for the US market, which identifies the search terms driving their traffic. This node queries DataForSEO to retrieve the top-ranking keywords for your second competitor, pulling up to the specified limit in English for the United States market. This node evaluates content performance across 4 intent categories: commercial, transactional, navigational, and informational, weighted by priority to identify which content gaps will have the highest SEO impact. This node creates a new Google Sheet titled Content Gap Analysis Results to store and organize the SEO findings generated by the AI agent. This node iterates through each row of sheet data from the previous step, processing up to 1,000 rows in a for each loop and outputting all results for downstream analysis. This node appends each processed item from the previous step directly into your Google Sheet, automatically adding new rows with the analyzed SEO gap data. With over 1,000 integrations available, you could send results to Slack, save findings to Google Sheets, or trigger notifications via email. That's the complete setup. Deploy it and start identifying your content gaps today.